guys, so today I'm going to be drawing a dragon bird. So it's like a dragon plus a bird. So first we have to make like the wings for it. So we're just gonna make like a curvy line right there, and same for the other side. And they should look about like almost the same. And then you could just like go and put it down on both sides to make it like it should look like a real dragon's wing, but then also a bird shape. And then you could just do it like that, and then you can do that on the other side. And then after, you can go and draw a line like there, and then make one right there, and then do like that in the gaps, like right there. So it'll be like dragon still, because we want it kind of dragonish too. And then you could just add the feathers onto here, so it'll be like the bird. So you could just draw U's. And then the shape for the body should just be coming out like here. And then the tail should be going up here. And then it should just like be there. And then after that, we could just draw like the shape right here. And it'll be the tail. And then you could just draw a line straight and then do another besides it. And then do like a Y shape, but upside down and capital. And then just put it up here. And then you could just draw a big dot in the middle for like it to look cool. And then one here, big oval. And then you could put the head right here. And then you could also do like a skeleton kind of shape for his like armor kind of thing. You could do that. And then we should also draw 2 spikes right here. And then we're going to put like, it should be like horns on the tail. And then we can just draw 2 spikes here. And then we'll just put like a tiny oval. And then we could just draw some lines on it. So then we have to draw like the face. We have to come in that part. So we're just going to do like a beak right there. And then for here, we're just going to draw a straight line, curve down, and then curve up to make like a smile. And then we could just draw like the eyes. And then this should be like curvy. And then we could draw like this right here and put it there. That's like a real bird. And then we could just draw that and right here. So it'll be like there, and then we could just add teeth on it. So it'll be like a dragon. And then we could add these spikes. So he's like dragon again, and then we could just draw this big thing, like a big spike on him, which comes on him, like spike things for him to defend himself. Then here comes like the racing part, because that part was there, so we have to race it to make this. And then we could just do that to fix it.
And then that comes to the part where we retrace it. So, yeah. we're done this tracing, so now we can erase the part we did. And then after we're done this, then we can go to the part of coloring. So when we're at like the coloring,
we should like make this a peach color because like the dragon's wings has the peach color, so we want to stick to dragons a little. And then like we could make this kind of like a bluebird and then like a dragon at the same time. Oops. And then like for this part of the nose, we can also do that. And then here we can like get out the yellow, this yellow. And then I'm gonna put it like right here for the beak. And then right here for the face. And then also right here. And then you can also do like another trace on top of it, so it's a little more yellow. And then here comes the part where you get the orange, and you shouldn't press it too hard, but just put it like gently so it doesn't turn totally orange. And then just make it like it's real. Like give it some shade, and then like there we have it. And then like we also have to make like a blue kind of electric thing. So we'll just color this part first. And then on these parts. And then here comes the part where we do like the whole body blue. So we'll just go and do it. And then we can just do like a shade for this one too. And then after that, we're supposed to like take the pink in and then do the spikes. And they'll be the dark pink. And then the rest of like the other spikes will be the light pink. that's it for today's video. Bye bye.